Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Get ready to have your minds blown, because today we're diving into something truly out of this world. Literally, we're talking about Comet 3IATLAS, a celestial wanderer that astronomers are now speculating might be sending signals back to its starting point. Yep, you heard that right, signals. Imagine this. A tiny, icy visitor from the distant reaches of our solar system, perhaps even from beyond, is quietly cruising along. And then, boom, scientists detect an enigmatic pulse emanating from it. This isn't just a random burst of energy. What makes this so captivating is that these pulses, despite their weak intensity, are showing a consistent pattern. A pattern so regular, so deliberate, that analysts have interpreted it as a possible form of communication. Now, before you start picturing little green aliens waving from the comet, let's break down what this truly means and why it's got the scientific community buzzing. Comet 3IATLAS, for those who don't know, is what we call an interstellar comet. That means it originated from outside our solar system. It's not one of our local cosmic neighborhood kids. It's a traveler from another star system entirely. Think about that for a second. This isn't just a chunk of ice from the Oort cloud. This is an interstellar guest. When it was first discovered, everyone was excited just by its interstellar origin. It gave us a rare chance to study material from another star system up close. But now, with these signals, the story has taken an absolutely wild turn. An enigmatic pulse. That phrase alone conjures up so much mystery and wonder, doesn't it? It suggests something beyond our immediate understanding, something that challenges our current scientific models. So, what exactly is this enigmatic pulse? Well, it's not like they're hearing voices or receiving clear messages in English. We're talking about radio waves or some other form of electromagnetic radiation. The enigmatic part comes from the fact that it does unquite fit the typical profile of natural emissions we expect from a comet. Comets are usually pretty predictable in their emissions: gas, dust, radiation from solar-wind interactions. But this, this is different. The key word here is consistent pattern. In science, when you see a consistent pattern, especially one that deviates from the norm, your ears perk up. It suggests an underlying cause, a mechanism. And when that mechanism is not immediately obvious or natural for the object in question, you start looking for other explanations. The idea of communication comes from this consistency. Is it a beacon, a distress signal, or something else entirely that we can't even comprehend yet? Let's dive a little deeper into the implications of this. If these pulses are indeed a form of communication, even if primitive, it would redefine our understanding of comets. It would mean that these icy bodies, which we've largely viewed as inert cosmic debris, might be capable of something far more complex. And if they're not natural, then what could be causing them? That's where the speculation truly begins to soar. Could it be some kind of natural geological activity within the comet that we haven't encountered before? Perhaps a unique composition or internal structure that generates these signals under specific conditions. Scientists are always open to new discoveries about natural phenomena, and our universe is full of surprises. And this is the part that sparks everyone's imagination, could there be an artificial origin? The very thought of an artificial origin immediately brings to mind advanced civilizations. While the data is extremely preliminary and requires extensive verification, the mere suggestion of communication from an interstellar object is enough to send shivers down your spine. It makes us question everything we thought we knew about life in the universe. Is it possible that this comet is not just a natural phenomenon, but perhaps a relic, a probe, or even a vessel from an intelligent civilization far, far away? Of course, the scientific community is approaching this with extreme caution. The first rule of extraordinary claims is that they require extraordinary evidence. Before anyone jumps to conclusions about alien communication, every single natural explanation must be thoroughly investigated and ruled out. This means checking for instrument errors, analyzing all possible natural emission mechanisms, and cross-referencing with other observatories. It's a long, meticulous process. But what if, just what if, after all the rigorous scientific scrutiny, they still can't find a natural explanation? What then? That's when the possible form of communication starts to sound a whole lot more plausible. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? That a tiny speck of ice traveling through the vast emptiness of space could be carrying a message from another star system, a message that has just now reached us. The discovery of these pulses also raises a host of new questions. Why would a comet be sending signals? Is it a way for an advanced civilization to map its journey through the galaxy? Is it a form of long-term data storage, transmitting information as it travels? Or perhaps could it be a way to communicate across vast interstellar distances, using comets as a sort of cosmic messaging service? And the idea of these signals being sent back to its starting point is particularly intriguing. It implies a targeted transmission, a deliberate effort to reach a specific destination. This moves beyond mere passive emission and into the realm of active communication. If these signals are indeed directed, then whoever or whatever is sending them has a remarkable understanding of astrogation and long-distance communication. This discovery also highlights the incredible advancements in our astronomical instruments and data analysis techniques. The fact that astronomers were able to detect such weak intensity signals and then discern a consistent pattern speaks volumes about the precision and sensitivity of our observatories. It means we're getting better at listening to the subtle whispers of the universe. So, where do we go from here? The next steps involve a lot more observation, a lot more data collection, and a lot more peer review. Scientists will be working tirelessly to confirm these findings, to characterize the pulses in greater detail, and to try and decipher any potential meaning. This isn't a quick answer kind of situation. This could be years, even decades, of dedicated research. But one thing is certain. This story about Comet 3IATLAS has injected a huge dose of excitement and wonder into the field of astronomy. It reminds us that the universe is far more mysterious and full of surprises than we can ever imagine. It pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and forces us to reconsider what's possible. And that, my friends, is why we look up at the stars, to find these incredible mysteries, to ask these profound questions, and to push the limits of human understanding. Whether these signals turn out to be natural or something else entirely, the journey of discovery itself is what truly captivates us. This is a story that's still unfolding, and you can bet we'll be following every single update here on the channel. So, what are your thoughts? Do you think it's an alien message, an unknown natural phenomenon, or something else entirely? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your theories. If you found this cosmic mystery as fascinating as I did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And do forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive into the wonders of the universe. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep looking up. We'll see you in the next one.